Hello, this is Mr. Ahmed, and today we'll do lesson 1.9 mental math strategies for subtraction. So, we studied mental math strategies for addition, and we studied the place value strategy for addition. So, we'll do the same on subtraction. This lesson is mental math strategies for subtraction, and the next lesson it will be about using the place value to subtract. So our essential question is, what mental math strategies can you use to find differences? Okay, so today we will learn some strategies that will help you to subtract. Okay, so let's unlock the problem. A sunflower can grow to be very tall. Dylan is 39 inches tall. She ordered a sunflower that grew to be 62 inches tall. How many inches shorter was Dylan than the sunflower? Okay, so Dylan is shorter than the sunflower, as you can see on that picture. Okay, so let's draw it here on the whiteboard. So for example, Dylan is this tall. Okay, and the sunflower, let's use another color. The sunflower is this tall. Okay, so this is the flower. Okay, so this is the sunflower. And so Dylan is 39 inches and the sunflower is 62 inches. Okay, the question here says, how many inches shorter was Dylan than the sunflower? Okay, so Dylan is shorter than the sunflower by this far. So this is the sunflower, this is Dylan. So it is shorter than the sunflower by this distance. Okay, so hope you now can see that to get this distance we should subtract the 62 minus the length of Dylan minus the 39. Okay, so here we have to subtract 62 minus 39 to know how many inches Dylan is shorter than the sunflower. So the first way is using the number line. So we'll use the number line to find 62 minus 39. Okay, so here we have two ways. We can count by tens and ones, or we can take away tens and ones. Okay, so counting by tens and ones, we will start with the smaller number. We'll start with the 39. Okay, so we'll start here with the 39, and we will count until we get the 62. Okay, so first we will count by tens. Then if we are really close to the 62, we can add more tens. We will count by ones. Okay, so 39, counting by tens, so 39 plus 10 equals 49. Plus another 10 is 59. Okay, we can't add more tens now because 59 plus 10 is 69. It's more than the 62. Okay, so here we can't count by 10, so we'll count by ones. So after 59, 60, 61, 62. So we added 3 more, so plus 3. So here let's see what numbers did we add. We added 10, and we added another 10, and we added 3. So 10 plus 10 plus 3, this is actually 23. So from 39 to the 62, we should add 23. So 10 plus 10 plus 3, it's 23. So the answer here is 23. Okay, let's see the other way. Okay, the other way says take away tens and ones. So take away means we'll subtract by tens, then we'll subtract by ones. So we'll start with the bigger number. So I will start as far here with the 62. And we will subtract the 39 by tens, then by ones. So 62 minus 10 is 52. Minus another 10, we'll have 42. Minus another 10, we will have 32. We can't subtract one more 10 because we already subtracted 3 tens. We subtracted 30. So we subtracted 30 and we need to subtract only 39. If we subtract one more 10, it means we subtracted 40. So here we subtracted 30, we still have to subtract 9. Okay, so here we are at 32. We can subtract 2 easily. So we can subtract 2, so we are now at 30. So these 2 are easy to subtract, so now we are at 30. So from 30, we still have to subtract 7 more. Okay, so we subtracted 10 and 10 and 10, we subtracted 30, and we subtracted 2, it means we subtracted 32, it means we have to subtract 7 more. So 30 minus 7, 30 minus 7 equals to 23. You can count backwards if you want. So before 30, we will count 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will count backwards. Before 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. Okay, so it depends which way do you like. Do you like counting by tens, then ones, or take away tens and ones? Okay, so here are the both ways for using the number line. You can use whatever you want. If you want to count by tens and ones, you will start with the smaller number and count until you get the bigger number, the 62. Okay, so here from the 39 we added 10, we got 49, one more 10, we got 59. We can't add more tens because we will get 69. So we will count after 59 until we get 62. So after 59, 60, 61, 62. So we added 3 more. So look up, we have 10 plus 10 plus 3, so it's a 23. So from 39 to 62, it's 23. The other way, you start with the bigger numbers, the 62. And you go backwards by tens. So we go backward by 10. It's 52 minus 1 more 10, 42 minus 1 more 10, 32. We can't subtract more tens because we already subtracted 3 tens, which is 30. So we need to subtract only 39. We can't subtract one more 10 because it means we will subtract 40. So we need to subtract 9 from the 32. So you can count backwards. 9 from the 32, you will get the 23. Or you can do like he did it here. From the 32, we can subtract 2 easily. So we can subtract 2, we get 30. Then subtract 7, you will get the 23 also. So Dylan was 23 inches shorter than the sunflower. Okay, so here we have other ways. We have the friendly numbers. So use friendly numbers and adjust to find 74 minus 28. Okay, so before we take it, let me tell you a little something. What is 9 minus 5? Okay, 9 minus 5, it's 4. Okay, so what if I made the 5 6, I give it 1. And the 9, I give it 1 also, so 10. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 9 plus 1 is 10. What is 10 minus 6? 10 minus 6, it's still 4. Okay, so the 5, what if I give the 5 2? So the 5 became 7. Okay, I gave the 9 also 2, so it became 11. So what is 11 minus 7? Also 4. So look what happens here in subtraction. If you increase the two numbers by the same amount, the difference stays the same. If you add 1 to the 5 and the 9, the difference is still 4. If you add 2 to the 5 and 9, the difference is still 4. Okay, so here in friendly numbers, we mean by friendly numbers are numbers with 0 at once, numbers that we will subtract them easily. Okay, so here we have 28. 28 needs 2 to be a friendly number. So 28 plus 2 equals 30. So 30 is a friendly number. I can subtract it easily. So 28 I gave it 2, so I have to give to the 74 also 2. So what is 74 plus 2? It's 76. So our new numbers are 76 minus 30. It's now easy to subtract because 6 minus 0 is 6 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So the difference is 46, and that is easier than doing 74 minus 28. Okay, so you can do it really quick like this. 28, I'll make it 30. It means I added 2. 74, I'll add 2 to it. It will be 76. So 76 minus 30, 46. Okay, so here we took two methods or two ways, the number line and the friendly numbers. Let's see if we have more ways. Here we have friendly numbers to subtract 9 and 99. And you really will like this. Okay, so 36 minus 9. Okay, so instead of subtracting 9, we can subtract 10. Okay, so 36 minus 10 is 26. Okay, but teacher, the question said subtract 9. We subtracted 10. It means the answer 26 is not the correct answer. I tell you, okay, we subtracted 10 means we subtracted one more. So instead of subtracting one more, we will add this one again. So we will add the 1 to the 26. So our correct answer will be 27. Okay, so instead of subtracting 9, we will subtract 10. It means we subtracted one more, so we will add this one again. So subtract 10, it will be 26. Add 1, it will be 27. Okay, so it's like subtract 10 and then plus 1. Okay, let's do the same for subtracting 99. Okay, so 423 minus 99. 99 is really close to 100. Okay, just 1 to the 100. So we'll subtract 100. So 423 minus 100, we will subtract 1 from the hundreds only. So we'll have 323. Okay, but teacher, you subtracted one more because you subtracted 100 and we're supposed to subtract only 99. Okay, so let's add this one again. So 323 plus 1 will have 324. So our answer is 324. Okay, and that is really easier than subtracting like the 3 minus 9. It can't be, and you have to borrow and these things. Okay, so subtracting 99, subtract 1 from the hundreds, and then you will have to add 1. So minus 100, then plus 1. Okay, subtracting 9, it will be minus 10, then plus 1. Okay, hope you guys get it. Okay, so the third strategy is use the break apart strategy to find 458 minus 136. Okay, so like addition in the break apart strategy, we will subtract the hundreds together, subtract the tens together, subtract the ones together. Okay, so we'll subtract the hundreds. 400 minus 100. So 400 minus 100 is 300. Okay, then we will subtract the tens. 5 tens, which is 50, minus 3 tens, which is 30. So 50 minus 30 is 20. Then we will subtract the ones, which is 8 minus 6. So 8 ones minus 6 ones. 8 minus 6 is 2. So our answer is 300 plus 20 plus 2, which is 322. Okay, so 458 minus 136 is 322. Okay, now for share and show. Find 61 minus 24, draw jumps and label the number line to show your thinking. Okay, here he said take away tens and ones. Okay, so here we start with the 61 and we want to take away 24. So we will subtract tens and ones. So what if we subtracted 10? So 61 minus 10 is 51. We can subtract one more 10. Okay, subtract one more 10. We'll have 41. Okay, now we subtracted 10 and 10. It means we subtracted 20. So we still need to subtract 4 more. Okay, so let's subtract 4. So subtract 4. We will count 4 backwards. Okay, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Backwards it will be like this. What is before 41? It's 40. Before 40, 39, 38, 37. So our answer is 37. Okay guys, so we started with the 61 and we subtracted the 24 by 3 jumps. So minus 10, then minus 10, so it means we subtracted 20, so we have 41. Now from 41 we still need to subtract 4, so we'll count backwards 4. So I did 4 dash here, it means we'll subtract 4. So before 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. So the answer is 37. Okay, here use friendly numbers to find the difference. 86 minus 42. Okay, so the 42 is really close to 40. Okay, so 42 is between 40 and 50, but it's closer to 40. So the 42, I'll make it 40. It means I subtracted 2 from the 42. I have to subtract 2 also from the other number. So I will subtract 2 from the 86. It will be 84. Now 84 minus 40, it will be 4 minus 0 is 4, and 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, so again, the 42 is close to 40. It means I should subtract 2 from the 42. So I'll go to the 86 and subtract also 2. So the 86 will be 84, and the 42 will be 40. So 84 minus 40 is 44. Okay, here use mental math to find the difference, draw or describe the strategy you use. Okay, so we used the number line starting from the bigger number. Let's see if we start with the smaller number and count it. Okay, so let's draw a number line here. Okay, we will start from the 38 and we count until we reach the 56. Okay, so we'll count by tens and ones. Okay, so plus 10, we will have 48. Okay, now plus one more 10, we will have 58. It's greater than the 56, so we can't add one more 10. So let's see how much we will add more to get the 56. Okay, so after 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Let's count the red dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a plus 8. And here we reached the 56. So again, what we did here, First, we added 10, so we got 48. Then we can't add one more 10 because we will reach 58. So we will add only 8. So 48 plus 8, we will have the 56. Okay, so the answer here, 38 plus what equals 56? You have to add 10, then you have to add 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, at number 4, 435 minus 121. It's really clear here. We won't subtract 3 digits. It's usually using the break apart strategy. So we will subtract the hundreds. So 4 hundreds minus 100. And the tens, 30 minus 20. And the ones, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1. Okay, so 400 minus 100 is 300. 30 minus 20 is 10. And 5 minus 1, it's 4. So to know the answer, you add these 3 numbers. Okay, so we add 300 plus 10 plus 4. We will have 314. So the answer is 314. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Have a nice day and goodbye.